Tonight, top federal health experts are warning of a surge on top of a surge. This after Americans defied warnings and pleas not to travel or gather this Thanksgiving. But we did, by the tens of millions. So far this month, we've recorded 4 million new cases, more than double the infections in October. The fear now, all that travel will drive those numbers way up. As Dr. Deborah Birx told CBS's Face the Nation today, travelers should assume that, quote, you were exposed and you became infected. We begin with Lilia Luciano in Los Angeles.
Tonight, Americans are packing up after the holiday on what could be the busiest travel day since the start of the pandemic. Most are on the road. Nearly 1 million others packing airports. And with them, fears of a new wave of infection is on the way. White House Coronavirus Task Force Dr. Deborah Birx with a warning on Face the Nation.
We're entering this post-Thanksgiving surge with 3, 4, and 10 times as much disease across the country.
Today, hospitalizations hit a record high in 33 states, with more than 91,000 patients straining ICUs in places big and small. Dr. Vanessa Walker in Sacramento provides intensive care remotely.
We put an intensive care unit physician right there in your hospital room, even though we're 300 miles away.
What has been the most impactful or concerning for you?
I am really very, very worried that we are going to have a large population of patients with long-term health effects.
COVID is tackling the NFL. Several teams with infected players. Today, the Denver Broncos playing without quarantine quarterbacks. The team starting a wide receiver instead. And the San Francisco 49ers need a new stadium to play after Santa Clara County banned all contact sports. And the New Orleans Saints appealing a reported $500,000 fine and losing a draft pick for players not wearing masks during a post-game celebration. There is hope. Infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci insists vaccine approval is imminent. A CDC panel will meet Tuesday to strategize who should get it first. Former FDA Commissioner Dr. Scott Gottlieb on Face the Nation.
There's only going to be 40 million doses available throughout the whole month of December.
Travelers coming back to California are urged to quarantine for 2 weeks. LA County today topped 5,000 cases. Those flyers now bracing for yet another limited stay-at-home order that goes into effect tomorrow. Lilia Luciano, CBS News, Los Angeles.